Hello, welcome to everyone for my video. My stories for hare and tortoise. This is a business model. We all got a habit of comparing ourselves with others and other people each other. Basically, this comparison is a child habit. Without knowing that God created each one of us in a unique way, and every creation there is a purpose, so it cannot be the same. Do you agree? Okay. In the same way, there was a proud hare. He was always proud of his speed of running. One day he saw his friend tortoise moving slowly. So he asked him, "Have you ever reached any destination within a specific time?" Well, tortoise was a bit sad, but he was confident. So he said, "Keep a race and see who wins." Then, to prove the competence of hare, they agreed for a race. Now, there has to be a judge. In life, we always search for a person to judge us, and only the judge have got the right to say whether you are right or wrong. But there is nothing right or wrong. So the fox marked the beginning and the end, and the race started. Now the hare knows his speed. Within a minute, he ran, got out of sight. That is called overconfidence. We all have got overconfidence in doing many things, and then we find that we are out of race. At the same time, tortoise confident moved slowly, saw the hare sleeping under a tree, slowly moved and reached the destination. So this is all what we have learned in childhood as a childhood story. How do we now move into the business model? Well, the hare was upset, so he said, "Let us have another race." Tortoise agreed. This time, hare did not take the chance of having a nap. He reached the destination very quickly, and tortoise was upset. Now, tortoise was wondering how to win against hare. So he said, "Let's have another round." But this time, the tortoise asked fox to take a longer route, and there has to be a river in between. Hare did not understand this trap. He agreed. And the race started. The hare could not cross the river, but tortoise reached the destination. Now this is a typical business competition. Everybody tried to compete with each other. Now the business solution comes here. Both had a business meeting. They want to have a win-win situation. Again the race was kept. Final destination, a longer route in which there will be a river in between. Now what agreed was, initial on the land, hare will carry the tortoise, and when it comes to river, tortoise will carry the hare on him. And again, after crossing the river, hare carried tortoise. Now this is called win-win situation. This is the best business model where we can use this story to have a win-win situation. Our goal is not to make somebody to lose, but we always want to have a win-win situation. Well, I hope you have liked my hare and tortoise story in business model. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, especially in business. I thank my family. I thank 414 subscribers. I find only 40% people have subscribed. Please support me by subscribing. I have 4,414 viewers, majority from outside India. So my YouTube channel is a global channel. I thank everyone for the support I am getting. Thank you.